Hey everyone, in this video I'm sharing with you a quick, easy go-to pasta meal like I like to do when it's midweek, you come home from work and you want something quick and easy that can take about 20 minutes or so on the stove. I decided to share my chickpea rotini pasta, and chickpeas is a good source of protein and fiber without all the other gunky stuff that is in regular spaghetti and pasta noodles. This is just one ingredient, chickpeas, and just to show you, it's the regular spiral noodles and they come out with a hard shell. Put them in a pot of boiling water and you just let that simmer just as you would make any other pasta. I like to pair this with portobello mushrooms, and this is a brand by Franklin Farms. They come frozen. I got it from Whole Foods. They also sell it at Stop and Shop. And portobello mushrooms is actually a good source of fiber. They have maybe about 11% of our daily intake that we need, as well as helping with our energy, our immunity. It helps fight with diabetes, specifically like type 1 diabetes, people that have like high blood pressure. So it's good to reduce the sodium levels, and it's full of potassium and regulates the blood. So portobello mushrooms also have B vitamins that are good for our nervous system and our overall health and digestion. So you just add it to the pot, and I let that boil for about 10 minutes and let everything get nice and soft. And I also like to pair my own seasonings with this pasta. I like to add red bell pepper and green pepper, are good for vitamin C, and they support your nervous system as well as your respiratory health and your blood flow. They also have some properties of potassium, protein, vitamin B6, fiber, copper, magnesium, a lot of good stuff. And bell peppers also helps maintain good eye health, and it's also nourishing for the fetus or anyone who is pregnant. And it's ideal for weight loss as well as antioxidants, because we all need a high boost of antioxidants. There's free radicals, fight cancerous cells, or anything that needs to protect us from the sticky, yucky environment. And it's also good for anti-inflammatory issues. So eat bell peppers, and they're easy to toss into your salads as well as in your meals. Just don't overcook them because you want to get all the benefits and nutrients out of them. And I like to add purple onion. Purple onion gives everything a nice added flavor. I added onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and I like to throw in the portobello mushroom meatballs and let that simmer. And I use some of the water that's in because you want the juice of everything to marinate together. You can cover it with the top and give it a nice stir. And when you're ready, or when you feel like everything is nice and coated, add in some sauce. My choice of sauce is tomato basil. I really like this brand by Wellsley Farms. It's really rich and the texture is just around the right amount of sauce. But here's the pasta. So the pasta is done and you just drain it. I add the Italian style tomato basil sauce to it. And I'm just going to take that pan of the mushrooms and put everything in one pot. Add the sauce and mix it all together, and there goes Wednesday night dinner. It's very quick and simple, and it's good also for a meal prep. So I had it for dinner, and I also just like stored the rest. Either you can have for lunch the next day or just have it for dinner again. And the next day is usually the best day because everything marinates overnight in the fridge a little bit better. But I normally don't eat the pasta right when I'm done with it. I let it sit on the stove for maybe about 30 minutes to an hour so everything can like stick together nicely, and it tastes just as good. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe so you can get more meal ideas that are quick and easy for you to do, and leave me a comment on something that you may be trying. or that you're interested in seeing here on my channel. More videos to come, and if you want to see the daily of what I'm having, just go to my Instagram and follow me at Living Lavishly Vegan, and I share my day-to-day things there whenever does not make it to YouTube, because as you know, I do not post to YouTube every day, but I am working on it, and I hope you enjoy and come back and talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.